So I'm going to walk through the creation of a custom menu with buttons, and I also want to give an overview of some of the triggers that I've created in this part of showing my work. So we'll jump into the menu that I've created. So these are just 4 menu buttons using the Storylines button feature. So if you look on these, you can see the states that come with each button from Storyline. I've added an additional state, the completed state, and I've also added the icon uh, from the button menu. So I went up here and added one of these check boxes to the completed state. And I've done that for each one of these chapter buttons. And so what that allows me to do is give the user some sense of completion once they've completed a module. So we'll see how I set that up. So to Active Story View, actually we'll go to Preview first and we'll check it out. So I go in here and I click on Chapter 1. That's going to take me to Chapter 1, and I do the activities for that. And then I'll click back, and now I have a little checkbox there to show that I've completed that. So I can do the same on Chapter 2, and so on, all the way to Chapter 4. And it brings me back each time to show that I've completed that part. Exit out of here. So within the actual slide itself, what I've gone ahead and done is I've set up these custom triggers within there. And I'll go ahead and open this. Oops. So I have set up variables, complete one variable to true, so that when the user clicks or swipes next, it's going to initiate that complete variable. And then by default, there's a number of these that have, let's see, if I go into the group variables, you'll notice that each one of these is by default value is false. So until the user actually clicks on that, it's not going to take them to the menu and show it as completed. So I've kind of set up 2 different variables, a true and a false variable for each one of those complete aspects. So change state of button to completed when the timeline is complete if it is equal to true. Okay. So that's it. Again, just a very simple menu, basic menu that connects to 4 different chapters, but I've added this component of the complete state along with the triggers that signify the complete state by adding the variables.